In this video, we met with Drizzy the jeweler. He has been in business for over 7 years and operates out of the Orion market in Ibadan. In our past videos, Oluwaseun taught us how to clean jewelry pieces using a snail shell, and Abe introduced a very unique soldering technique using a blowing torch. Let's see what Drizzy has for us on his bench.
Let me go on this first.
Okay, so he's going to work on the pendant first. So how many years have you been a goldsmith, Mr. Miles?
I've been on it since 7 years.
7 years?
Yes.
Yeah. Drizzy has an assortment of pliers and hand tools to approach any job that sits in front of him. I guess he's making the jumpring to fit on the top of the pendant. Okay, switch here. Flame. And I can see that Drizzy also has the eternal flame that lights throughout the entire day. The same flame we saw at Abe's shop. So when we do jewelry in the West, we usually use a soldering board. Maybe it may be a non-asbestos soldering board, but you can see that if you do not have this soldering board, you can use just a simple sheet of wood to get your item soldered. And Drizzy is now going to apply the heat to the pendant to solder the jumpring onto the pendant using this very unique torch, which is fueled by, of course, the flame and oxygen that he blows into the pipe. Abi is actually blowing oxygen into the torch tip to apply more heat to the metal. Oh, there we can see the solder already melted, attached to the pendant. So, Drizzy, how did you get the original sheet before putting the design on it? How did you get that piece done?
I melt the silver.
Right, and what was the process to get it flat?
Yeah, there's a machine we used to do this.
Okay, is it the rolling mill?
Yeah.
The mill?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool. Okay. See how Drizzy operates with this soldering apparatus. He applies the correct amount of heat where it is needed. For more finer pieces, less heat is applied. I realized that when you were soldering this piece, you applied less oxygen.
Yeah.
Is that for flame control so that you don't burn the smaller pieces?
Yeah.
Yes, you apply less oxygen because with more oxygen, of course, the flame will be hotter, right?
Yes. Yes, pendant.
Right. This marks the end of our trip with Drizzy. You can find him at the Orion market in Ibadan, Nigeria.
We will continue to travel around the world to capture more content of new upcoming and intermediate jewelers. So hit the subscribe button and leave a comment and tell us where you would like to see us next.